Hi guys, how are you? I hope everyone is safe and sound. Now that the pandemic situation is much better in North India, so people have started traveling again, and we've been missing our dining out and traveling, things that we used to do earlier so frequently. And now that things are a little better, so we've also decided to go on a trip. And this time we are going to Jim Corbett to review a very beautiful property, but that's the fodder for our next video. In this video we are talking about corona norms to travel to Uttarakhand and things to remember while traveling during the pandemic. I'm making this video while I'm still in between my packing, and Bedobrato has traveled from Kolkata to Delhi to for this trip only, and he'll join me in a little bit. So first things first, yes, Uttarakhand is open for tourists now. Anybody from any part of the country or abroad can travel to Uttarakhand, but there are certain protocols to follow. This could be Bedobrato. We'll talk about that in a bit.
Hi,
Hi,
good to see you, Sandeep, after very long.
come on.
Good
Come
to
on
be
in.
back in Delhi.
I was just recording a vlog for our preparations for the trip and these corona norms, etc.
It's a cool idea. All the best.
And you will join me after this.
No, that is not something that I was expecting. I flew down all the way from Calcutta, not for this, but what the heck, you're the boss. I'm absolutely famished. So I have an existential question for you. What do you have for dinner?
Oh, I completely forgot about that. What do you want? Should I order something from outside?
No. I'm sorry, but we are going to have hotel food for the next 4 days. Don't you have something in your refrigerator? What is this?
Oh, I completely forgot. I have these gold garlic naan and Malabar parathas. You want these? We can just warm it and have it with sabzi.
Oh, there are these oozy cheesy corn bites and mac and cheese pops too.
We can have these tomorrow in the morning.
You can check out the range of Gold frozen snacks on their website and social media.
So coming back to rules and regulations about traveling to Uttarakhand, there are no restrictions, but still you need certain things.
You must either be fully vaccinated or you must be carrying a COVID negative report. The test should have been conducted within 72 hours before your travel time. I am fully vaccinated and I am carrying my vaccination certificate along with me.
While Bedobrato had his vaccination, I developed the antibodies the natural way. So I had corona in April, May, and I recovered recently. So it's still not 3 months to my recovery. So I'm not allowed to have vaccine as of now. I went to the government dispensary in the neighborhood and I got a corona test done. So I am carrying that report with me. And RT-PCR and rapid antigen both are allowed.
Next and very important is e-registration. As of today, 10th August 2021, it is mandatory for any tourist traveling to Uttarakhand to get themselves registered on the government's website. Here's the link, and we shall also leave the link in the description below. You will be asked basic questions like name, age, gender, your home address, your destination and all that. So all you need to do is fill in this simple form online. No, you also need to put in your hotel booking details along with evidence, and once this is filled in, you will get an e-registration confirmation from the government's website. Bingo, you're done. Carry this registration on your phone or carry a printout and you're good to go.
So basically, just to sum it up, you need to carry your e-registration along with the vaccination certificate or corona negative report of 72 hours, and along with that carrying your Aadhaar card, hotel booking, any identity card is always a good idea. That's about it. We are all set. Our GoPros and DSLRs are all ready, our phone batteries are charged, and we are all set to start on this new trip tomorrow.
Do check our Instagram stories and posts from Jim Corbett, and of course subscribe to Delhi Fundus, and please press the bell icon to be notified of our next vlog.
Till then, goodbye and stay safe.
And for quick bites, try Gold frozen snacks.